Hello friends. Welcome to today's powerful and life-changing video. In this video, we will dive deeply into the amazing book, Stop Wasting Time, by Joseph Tan, a book that completely transforms the way we think about time, productivity, focus, discipline, and success. Friends, time is something we all have equally, 24 hours every day, but the difference is, some people use it to build their dreams, while others waste it without realizing how valuable it really is. This book shows us how time wasting destroys our potential and how we can take control of our life by managing time effectively. So, without wasting any time, let's begin this powerful journey of change and transformation. Chapter 1: Time is Life. Joseph Tan begins by saying, time is not just money, time is life. Every second you waste is a portion of your life lost forever. Money, opportunities, and resources can be recovered, but time never returns. Every day we say, I will start tomorrow. I will exercise tomorrow. I will read later. Someday I will follow my dreams. But that someday never comes. Most dreams die not because people are weak or unlucky, but because they waste their time waiting for the perfect moment. Joseph gives a powerful reminder: the perfect moment does not exist. You're created by starting now. Every successful person understands the value of time. They respect every minute. They protect their time. They plan their day. They take action instead of waiting. If you do not respect your time, no one else will. Chapter 2: The Biggest Time Wasters. Joseph Tan explains the biggest enemies of time, the habits that silently destroy our life and our success. Keycap 1: Procrastination, the habit of delaying everything. Procrastination is the number one thief of time. We convince ourselves with sentences like, I will do it later. I have time. I'll start from next week. But every time we delay, our confidence and discipline fall sharply. Action delayed is success delayed. Keycap 2: Mobile and social media addiction. On average, a person spends 3 to 5 hours per day scrolling on social media. Reels, Shorts, TikTok, WhatsApp status, random YouTube videos, these platforms are designed to steal our attention. We think we are just scrolling for 5 minutes. Suddenly 2 hours disappear. Social media gives dopamine, a temporary pleasure, but silently kills focus and productivity. Keycap 3: Negative people and time drainers. Some people waste our time more than anything else. They only gossip, complain, criticize, and discourage. Joseph says, protect your time from people who do not respect it. Be with people who inspire growth, talk about ideas, motivate you, respect your vision. Keycap 4: Lack of goals and purpose. If you do not know your direction, you will waste time wandering. When there is no clear goal, every distraction becomes attractive. Every minute is wasted. Keycap 5: Overthinking. Overthinking is a silent killer. We think too much. Will I fail? What will people say? What if I am not good enough? And while we think, time keeps ticking. Thinking must lead to action, not delay. Chapter 3: The Power of Now. Joseph Tan says, the best time to start anything is now. Not tomorrow, not someday, not when everything is perfect. Because perfection is an excuse. You become perfect only after starting. If you want to study, start now. If you want to exercise, start now. If you want to build your YouTube channel, upload today. If you want to learn a language, begin today. Action destroys fear. Action cures procrastination. Action builds confidence. Start now, even if it's small. Small steps taken consistently create massive results. Chapter 4: Time Blocking, the Ultimate Technique. Joseph introduces a powerful time management method called time blocking. Instead of doing things randomly, divide your day into blocks, and assign specific tasks to each block. Example: time block routine. Time task: 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. study, skill building. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. work or primary goal. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. exercise, health. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. reading, planning. The rule is simple: During each time block, do only that activity. No multitasking. Benefits of time blocking: reduces stress, improves focus, prevents distraction, gives structure and discipline. Joseph says, don't prioritize your schedule. Schedule your priorities. Chapter 5. Set clear goals. People fail not because they are weak, but because they do not know what they want. Joseph teaches a powerful system called SMART goals. Smart, specific, what exactly you want. Measurable, how you will measure success. Achievable, realistic and possible. Relevant, aligned with your purpose. Time bound, has a deadline. Example: I want to learn English. I will practice English speaking for 1 hour daily and improve fluently in 30 days. Written goals have power. If you write your goals, you give them life. Chapter 6. Focus on one thing at a time. Joseph warns that multitasking is a myth. When you try to do many things together, you lose focus. The quality becomes weak. Work takes more time. Successful people have one common habit: extreme focus on one task until completion. Example: Bill Gates reads deeply for hours. Warren Buffett spends time thinking and focusing. Virat Kohli focuses strictly on discipline and training. Joseph says, better to go 100% in one direction than 10% in 10 directions. Chapter 7. Learn to say no. Most people cannot succeed because they say yes to everything and everyone. They allow others to control their time. Joseph says, every yes you give to others may become a no to your dreams. When something is not aligned with your goals, say confidently, no, thank you. I have priorities. Protect your time like a treasure. Chapter 8. Daily habits of successful people. Joseph shares habits common among great achievers. Leader key habit. Elon Musk time division into small focused blocks. Steve Jobs simplicity and clarity. Bill Gates daily reading and learning. Warren Buffett deep thinking, no distractions. APJ Abdul Kalam. Discipline, learning, mission focus. All successful people have one thing in common: discipline and respect for time. They do not waste time on useless activities. Chapter 9. Replace time wasting with time investing. Time wasting, random scrolling, gossiping, overthinking, unnecessary conversations, hours of entertainment. Time investing, learning new skills, reading educational books, watching motivational or knowledge content, exercise and mental development, planning and organizing, working on goals, practicing discipline. You become what you do daily. Chapter 10. Create a vision for life. Without vision you cannot manage time, because you don't know why time matters. Ask yourself, what do I want from life? Who do I want to become? What will make me proud? When you have purpose, time becomes powerful. Joseph says, discover what you love. Give your time to it with full dedication. Let's summarize the core message of the book. Key lessons. Time is the most valuable resource. Procrastination is the biggest enemy. Action is the most powerful weapon. Goals give direction. Time blocking builds discipline. Focus beats multitasking. Say no to protect your dreams. Replace time wasting with time investing. Your habits shape your future. If you don't control your time, then your time will control your life. You have only one life. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. Friends, remember, life is short. Dreams are big. Time is precious. Stop waiting. Stop thinking too much. Stop scrolling your life away. Start now. Build your future. Create your success. One day people will say, you are lucky. But only you will know, it was not luck, it was discipline and time management. Thank you so much for listening to this full summary. I hope it inspires you to transform your life and stop wasting time. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more powerful book summaries and motivational content. Meet you in the next video. Till then, respect your time, protect your dreams, and keep growing. Thank you.